Math and Science Academy students and staff. Hi, my name is Janae and I'm coming to you live from the WHVR studio. Today is Friday, September 12th, 2014. In weather today, the village of Schaumburg is expected to have a high of 55 and a low of 41 with rain. Now please stand and join us in saying our nation's pledge. Our pledge people for today are
Hayden, Ava,
Gianna, Delaney.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
In sports, the Chicago Bears are going to play the San Francisco 49ers this Sunday. Go Bears! The Chicago Sox won their game yesterday against the Athletics with a score of 1-0. Band and orchestra lessons start on Monday. Lesson schedules will be passed out today. Also, elective classes for art, music, and PE will start on Monday. Student selection lists will be posted in your classrooms. And now a word from Mr. Smelser.
Thank you. Thanks, Janae. Good morning, Hoover staff and students. It's Friday. Whew, I think this is the first full week we've had to be in school all year. As you can see, I've got Herbie's eggs here. We're going to pull a few names out from both primary and intermediate. And let's get started. Get my hand in here. There's lots of Herbie high fives, so that is awesome. We've got Winston in room 113. Let's see, Isaac in room 119. Andre in room 115. Turn around in there. Let's see, Matthew in room 114. And Azar in room 105. I think it's Azar. All right, and let's pull some intermediate. All right, let's see here. We've got Ilona in room 202. Brian in room 202. Uh-oh. Room 202's got a lot of them in here. Let's see if we can get another room. Lexus in room 204. Nicole in room 204. Look at that, 202 and 204. They're neck and neck. This will be the tiebreaker. Unbelievable. Taylor in room 202. Are those only two classrooms in there? I don't know. Everybody have a great day, or not. The choice is yours.
Mr. Smelser.
You're welcome.
Here is our fun fact for today. As well as having unique fingerprints, humans also have unique tongue prints. That's all for today. Have a fantastic Friday.